Welcome to Quickies with Dr. Bhatia. Today we will address the issue of automated creation of a visit or a discharge summary. So the question I received from an EMR company says, our customer hospital wants that the EMR should automatically generate a discharge summary in admission cases or a visit summary in OPD cases, which can either be printed or emailed to the patient. What's the best approach to achieve this? The common mistake most vendors will make is they will ask for a minimum data set from the customer. Most likely, they will fail. The reason is that most customers will have difficulty in arriving at an internal agreement about what is the minimum data set that needs to be included in such a summary. The trick is to offer the following data set in summaries by default. Include demographics, presenting complaints, history of present illness, review of systems, physical examination, vitals, orders of lab and radiology, etc., diagnoses, prescription, referrals, procedures, next appointment, and any other history regarding tobacco, obesity, addictions, etc. In USA, the meaningful use compliance summaries for ambulatory care contains some additional things. You can see them on your screen right now. If you will let your customer know that your EMR can already export all this data in a pre-canned template, most of them will start using it to begin with. Ask them if they have any templates as a part of government or meaningful use compliance, and if they are willing to pay for the customization of templates. Lastly, be aware of usability and formatting of summaries. For displaying this page, you may like to have a pre-designed HTML page which can render the information properly formatted and in a desirable template. The provider can then export this into a secure format like an encrypted PDF with a password and email it to patient. You will need to provide an end-to-end functionality where the encryption of PDF with a password and emailing the PDF to the patient and separately emailing the password is also a part of your EMR. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for listening. You can send me your questions at quickie@saurabhbhatia.com. Thanks.